Hi everyone! Welcome back to the 100-Day English Speaking Challenge. I'm Mari, your host and your English-speaking friend. This is day 7. Can you believe it? 1 week already. I'm proud of you for showing up. No more translating in your head. No more getting stuck searching for words. Just clear, simple, confident thinking in English. Sounds good, right? Let's dive in. Why thinking in English matters. First, let's talk about why it's important. When you think in English, you speak faster. You sound more natural. And, most importantly, you feel more confident. Translating every word from your native language slows you down. It's like trying to drive with the brakes on. Thinking directly in English is like driving on a smooth highway. Step 1. Start small. Words and phrases. So, how do we do it? We start small. Don't try to think in full sentences at first. Begin with simple words and everyday phrases. For example, when you wake up, say in your mind, I'm awake. I'm getting up. Time to brush my teeth. When you're eating, this is hot. I like this soup. I need a spoon. These are easy phrases. No grammar stress. Just start naming things around you and saying what you're doing in English. Step 2. Use English for everyday tasks. Try using English for simple activities in your head. Making a to-do list. Today I will study English. Then I'll go shopping. Talking to yourself. Where's my phone? Or, let's clean the room. Describing what you see. There's a dog, the dog is big. This is called self-talk, and it works. You don't need perfect grammar. Just communicate with yourself in English, like a friend. Step 3. Learn thinking phrases. Let me teach you a few great thinking phrases you can use every day. What should I do next? Let me think. I don't know the word, but I'll try to describe it. It's like how do I say this? Using these phrases in your thoughts helps you stay in English, even when you're unsure. Step 4. Shadowing. Thinking practice. Shadowing. The technique we use every day in this challenge is also powerful for training your brain to think in English. When you repeat native speech, your brain starts to copy not just the sounds, but also the thought patterns. So don't just repeat the words. Imagine the situation. Feel it. See it. Connect to the meaning. For example, if you shadow the phrase, I'm looking for my keys. Picture it. Feel the situation. Now your brain isn't just learning English. It's living in English. Step 5. Practice every day. Thinking in English is a daily habit, not something that happens overnight. Here's your simple daily practice. Talk to yourself in English for 5 minutes a day. When you're alone, walking, cooking, resting, use simple phrases in English. Keep a thinking journal. Write 1 to 2 short thoughts in English every day. It's okay if they're not perfect. This is for your brain, not for a test. Bonus tip. Be kind to your brain. Learning to think in English is a journey. Be patient. Some days you'll struggle. That's okay. If you forget a word, describe it. If you can't explain something, skip it and try again later. Your brain is learning. Every time you try, it's growing. Your speaking practice for today. Okay, now it's your turn. Let's practice thinking in English together. Repeat after me. Pause after each line. I'm learning English. I can think in English. I don't need to translate. It's okay to make mistakes. Every day I get better. One more time, faster. I'm learning English. I can think in English. I don't need to translate. It's okay to make mistakes. Every day, I get better. Great job. Final thoughts. So remember, you can think in English. Start small. Speak to yourself. Use shadowing. And most of all, keep going. You're doing something amazing. This was day 7 of our 100-day challenge. I'm Mari, and I'll see you tomorrow for more English speaking, shadowing, and confidence building. Keep thinking in English and keep smiling. Keep thinking in English and keep smiling. Bye for now.